Welcome to everyone who has stopped by for a dose of interesting Instagram features. Today, we will unveil 3 unique functions that can significantly change your experience using this popular social network. Let's get started. First, did you know Instagram allows you to hide the number of views and likes on your posts, as well as on the posts you view? Before sharing a post, tap Advanced Settings at the bottom. Then tap on Next to. Hide like and view counts on this post to turn this setting on or off. Next is my favorite feature I didn't know before. You can see all the stories where you tagged your friend. Just start to create a new story. Click on the button with the person icon at the bottom and type his nickname. Here you go. Instagram have found all the stories with this friend. Let's continue with the archiving feature. Instead of deleting old posts that no longer reflect your brand or personal style, you can simply archive them. Open the post you want to delete, then tap on 3-point button in the top right center and choose Archive. That's all for now. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon!